how to unnest a sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. So to nest these videos, I'm highlighting them and I'm clicking N and then click OK, and now they're nested. So if you double tap on the video clips, as you can see, we have 2 video clips that are currently nested. So to unnest it, you can right click and you can either click unlink and it unlinks the video and the audio, or you can go under to your project bin of where you currently nested this. In this case, it's right here, nested sequence 19. And then click delete, and then it says, are you sure you're going to delete this? These clips contain 1 or more. And you can click yes or no. In this case, we're going to click yes.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.